Meet Jamie, a bright kid with a keen love for snacks, from cookies to chips and everything tasty in between. But what happens when snacking shifts from an occasional treat to a habit? In Jamie's world, snacks are an adventure, a momentary dive into a world of flavors, though this frequent snacking is subtly steering Jamie away from a lifestyle of vibrancy and activity. Yet, imagine a scenario where Jamie, and we ourselves, could enjoy our snacks without concessions. Amidst Jamie's journey of realization, we embark on a quest to rediscover the essence of snacking, one that doesn't just cater to Jamie but to all of us. Join us as we unveil the secrets to smarter snacking, aiming towards days filled with vigor and vitality. It's a journey of transformation, guided by knowledge and joy. For Jamie, and indeed many of us, the diverse world of snacking was a simple, everyday indulgence until the realization dawned: not all snacks are created equal. Picture the choice between a rocket and a wagon, fruits and veggies as our rockets launch us with energy and nutrients, while chips and cookies, like wagons, hold us back. Jamie's path to enlightenment involved more than just replacing one food with another. It was about experiencing the exhilaration of feeling super. Through games, trials, and learning about nutritional values, Jamie discovered the joy in nutritious choices, finding them not just beneficial but delicious. As we continue, let's carry Jamie's story with us as a tale of empowerment, proof that making the switch from wagon to rocket is not just possible but rewarding. Stay with us for more on turning healthy eating into a delightful adventure. At this juncture in our journey with Jamie, a crucial turning point is reached. With determination and a zest for healthier living, Jamie warmly embraces better snack options, such as carrots and apples, finding in them not just health benefits but a key to unlocking boundless energy and joy. This transformation extends beyond mere food choice. It's a testament to the profound impact of nourishing choices on our well-being. Let Jamie's story inspire us all. Each step towards healthier eating is a step towards enriching our lives with vibrant energy and happiness. Remember, in our hands lies the capability to make those empowering choices, just like Jamie did.